This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and computer. Make sure the battery is above 50% and use an original cable. Once done, force restart the phone to interrupt the boot loop. Press the volume up, volume down, then hold the power button until the screen goes black. You don't wait for recovery prompts, you move straight into the DFU entry timing. This initial sequence stops the blinking and primes the phone to accept a clean firmware restore, which is why precision matters. You now perform the exact DFU timing. For newer models, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button and continue with the specific hold/release pattern. For older models, use home plus power combinations. Once the phone screen stays black, connect it to your computer, open Finder or iTunes, and wait for the DFU detection banner. Make sure the software reports a device in recovery without booting. This state allows a full firmware erase and reinstall, which fixes deep software corruption causing the blinking. You select Restore in Finder or iTunes, choose to download and install the latest iOS image, not the update option, because a full restore replaces corrupted boot files. Once started, keep the cable connected and do not interrupt. The progress bar may take 20-40 minutes. When the phone restarts, follow setup prompts. If the Apple logo still blinks after repeated DFU restores, suspect hardware. Replace cable/computer first. Then consider battery or logic board service. Contact authorized repair, because software fixes will no longer resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.